Hello everyone, welcome to our Living Lab demonstration here. Today we are doing some interesting deployment of our technology that we have developed. With this instrumented vehicle, we are going to scan one of our route at Western Campus, and we are going to see what's the condition of the roadway, what are the air quality conditions and different other environmental parameters. We are using this technology for urban level scanning in terms of infrastructure and other environmental qualities. This particular technology has been developed in collaboration with Western Academy for Advanced Research, supported by Western University and also with the facility management team at Western. This technology can be very useful to make our city smarter, where we can actually visualize the results of the city. It will also help us to deploy the smart cities and communities throughout Canada.